Hello guys, so welcome to Mentor 3 Dimension. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular character over here. So let's continue it. So let's go into this. Let's take a face over here and let's start extruding it down. So we'll be selecting this, both the faces over here, and I'll start extruding it down a bit. So as you can see, as soon as I extrude this, I only select this part. So this part is like, this has to go inside. I can only select this and this part, and let's extrude it down. So I'll go over here. I can slightly shuffle it in this way. So I'll go over here, I'll drag this till here, slightly push this out, and okay, looks better now. So again, select the faces, press shift and drag, extrude it, slightly adjust the vertices, drag this over here, drag it out, and if you want, I can even drag this a bit out if required in this way. So let's go into this. Let's select this faces, shift and drag. I'll rotate it over here, and now what I'll do is I'll put some loop over here. Now so select the vertices, scale it, and what I can do now, there is a twist over here. Let's go into the rotate option, press E, go into the rotate options, and relative I'll make it as 45 degree, and I'll just rotate this hand in 45 degrees. So 45 degrees is like we have to rotate in this direction, so I can just rotate it. So first what I'll do, I'll just rotate it in this way, and I can just select this and make it a bit straighter. Let's just put it over here and let's resize it. So I can scale it, so I can just drag it a bit out over here. Let's keep on adjusting this. Now I'll go over here, I'll again scale it, insert edge loop and resize it in this way. Let's just adjust this a bit back over here. Correctly. Go into mesh tools and let's add edge loop and adjust this vertices a bit behind over here. So select this, slightly shuffle it in this way, drag it, now so keep on adjusting this. Now okay, now looks better. Go into the mesh tool and let's put some edge loop here as well. Scale it in this way. Can just press 3 and check how it's going to look like. Yeah, looks better. So let's go over here. I can slightly just adjust this in this way. So we can just adjust the loops. Now select the vertices and we can slightly tweak it correctly. It's very important that you tweak it in the right manner. Push it a bit inside as well. Okay, now that looks better. So I'll just select again the faces over here. Let's select the outer faces and let's extrude it down. So once you extrude it down, you can slightly scale it. So we'll be doing this scaling part right from here. So once you start doing it, just drag it out. So just shuffle this a bit out. I'll go into this, I'll select this using this lasso tool over here and I'll slightly shift it a bit down. So this is going to be your left hand. So what I can do is, if you want, I can slightly rotate my hand. I can do that way as well, because this is going to be a bit difficult to work over here. So I also need to rotate it. So I'll just slightly rotate it in this way. So from here you will get your thumb section over here. So let's put a loop over here, select this and this, and you can just drag that part out. So before you drag it, you can just extrude it in this way. So I can just shuffle it and adjust it correctly. Now, okay, all right. So let's come out of this. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. That's Mentor 3 Dimension. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So this is just the blocking of the hand, which we'll be doing it later. We'll resize it, we'll put some loops. So thanks for watching this tutorial.